history. Tonight's guest, Rosie Ledette, Little Nathan and the Zydeco Big Timers, Sarah Jade, Doug Kershaw, the King of Zydeco Rockin' Doozy, live from New Orleans.
Where lives my Cajun baby? She's the fairest one in the land.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Thunder. As you can see, we're here in New Orleans, and we're about to go down and have us some fun. We're going to go down to Generations Hall after this and hear some of the best music that exists in the world. Mississippi River is right over there, and just have a look around at this beautiful city, this historic city. I'm excited just to be here. I feel privileged just to be here, and we're going to have us a great time. Why don't you come on? We're here in front of Fats Domino's personal residence in the 9th Ward of New Orleans. We're starting our Restore America program here in the 9th Ward, and we want to show it to you for a number of different reasons. But it's iconic for what we face and the challenges we face as a nation. Now, the difference here in the 9th Ward in New Orleans is that this is a disaster area. And it's an example of what is a true disaster, and it's a disaster on a number of different fronts. Mostly it is a human tragedy, and we'll be showing you some of that. And this will also give you some perspective on the rest of the nation as far as the challenges we face economically, socially, politically. Our problems need to be put into perspective. These people in the 9th Ward, now they've had problems. We have challenges in the rest of the nation, and this is iconic for what we need to deal with. So we're going to look at the good, and we're going to look at the very bad, and we're going to put those things in perspective. What I've seen here already since I arrived here last night is enough to truly sadden me, and it will sadden you as well. But we're about taking action, and we're about solving problems, and we'll address ways in which we can do that together.